Welcome back to Torque Talk. In this video, I will talk about 4 SUVs with the highest repair costs in 2025. Before I continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. It will help me to grow up. For 2025, Audi Q7. The 2025 Audi Q7 is a 3-row luxury SUV that combines sophistication, cutting-edge technology, and a smooth driving experience. It offers an exceptional balance of performance, comfort, and practicality, making it a popular choice among families and luxury SUV enthusiasts. However, as with many high-end vehicles, the Audi Q7 comes with higher than average repair costs, making it important for prospective owners to carefully consider long-term maintenance expenses. One of the key factors driving up repair costs for the Audi Q7 is its complex drivetrain and suspension system. The Q7 is available with powerful engine options, including turbocharged V6 and V8 engines, both of which offer excellent performance but are also intricate and costly to repair. Issues such as turbocharger failure, oil leaks, or malfunctioning fuel injectors can result in significant repair expenses, especially when using OEM original equipment manufacturer parts. Additionally, the Q7's adaptive air suspension, which provides a smooth and responsive ride, is prone to wear over time. Air suspension components, such as the compressor and air struts, can fail and require expensive replacements, adding to the vehicle's overall maintenance costs. The Audi Q7 also comes equipped with advanced technology, and while these features enhance the driving experience, they can be expensive to repair or replace if they malfunction. The infotainment system, which includes a large touchscreen virtual cockpit and premium audio system, is prone to software glitches and hardware failures. Similarly, the Q7's suite of driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision warning, can be costly to repair if any of the sensors or cameras malfunction. These systems require precise calibration and can lead to expensive repair bills if something goes wrong. In addition to its complex mechanical and electrical systems, the Audi Q7 is equipped with high-quality interior materials, such as leather upholstery, wood trim, and premium carpeting. While these materials create a luxurious cabin, they can be costly to repair or replace if damaged. Furthermore, the Q7's advanced seating adjustments, massaging seats, and other luxury features require specialized attention if they experience any issues, adding to the overall repair costs. Another contributing factor to the Q7's repair is its Quattro all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional traction and stability. While this system offers remarkable performance, it is complex and can be expensive to repair if any parts, such as the differential or transfer case, fail. Additionally, the Q7's large wheels and tires, which are designed for a smooth and comfortable ride. 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is a legendary luxury SUV that combines remarkable off-road capabilities with luxurious on-road comfort and performance. Its boxy design, powerful engines, and sophisticated interior have made it a symbol of status and refinement. However, this iconic vehicle comes with one significant downside: its repair costs. Known for its premium build quality and cutting-edge technology, the G-Class requires meticulous attention when it comes to maintenance and repairs, and that translates to substantial expenses. One of the main reasons the G-Class carries high repair costs is its complex drivetrain and suspension system. The G-Class is equipped with powerful engine options, including a V8 and a V12 engine, both of which provide extraordinary performance. These engines are engineered for power and longevity, but they are also complex, and repairing or replacing components can be extremely expensive. The G-Class all-wheel drive system is another factor contributing to high repair costs, as it includes specialized components designed for maximum off-road capability. Problems with the drivetrain or suspension, including issues with the differential, transfer case, or shock absorbers, can be costly to fix due to the high price of parts and the need for specialized labor. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class also comes equipped with an array of luxury features, which, while contributing to the SUV's appeal, add to its repair expenses. The infotainment system, which is user-friendly but advanced, is prone to software glitches or issues with the interface, requiring costly repairs or replacements. Similarly, the advanced driver assistance systems, such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors, are integral to the vehicle's safety but can be expensive to repair if they malfunction. The sensors and cameras used in these systems are sensitive and delicate, making repairs expensive and requiring a highly skilled technician. The G-Class interior is another area where costs can add up over time. The vehicle is fitted with high-end materials, including luxurious leather upholstery, premium wood trim, and high-grade carpeting. While these materials enhance the cabin's opulence, they can be costly to repair or replace if damaged. Whether it's the leather seats, the intricate wood panels, or the sophisticated electronics in the cabin, maintaining the interior of the G-Class can be expensive, especially if any damage occurs to these premium elements. Another contributor to the G-Class high repair costs is its unique and complex electrical systems. Like other high-end Mercedes-Benz vehicles, the G-Class is equipped with advanced electrical systems that control everything from the climate control to the power-adjustable seats. Over time, these systems can suffer from malfunctions, and diagnosing and repairing electrical issues can be both time-consuming and costly. Mercedes-Benz's proprietary diagnostic equipment and expertise are required for these repairs, adding to the overall cost. Finally, the G-Class off-road capabilities, while exceptional, require periodic maintenance to keep it in top condition. The vehicle's heavy-duty suspension, large wheels, and off-road tires are designed to handle tough terrains, but they also wear down faster than standard SUV components. Over time, suspension parts, axles, and wheel bearings. 2025 BMW X5. The 2025 BMW X5 continues the legacy of being one of the premier luxury SUVs in the world, offering a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. With a range of powertrains, including turbocharged inline-6 and V8 engines, the X5 is renowned for its exhilarating driving dynamics and high-end cabin. However, as with many luxury vehicles, the BMW X5 comes with a high cost of ownership, particularly when it comes to repair and maintenance. One of the primary contributors to the BMW X5's high repair costs is its complex drivetrain. The X5 offers a variety of engine options, from the efficient turbocharged 6-cylinder to the more powerful V8. While these engines provide outstanding performance, they also present a high level of complexity. The engine components are more intricate than those of standard vehicles, and repairs can be costly, especially when dealing with issues like turbocharger failure, faulty injectors, or damaged cylinder heads. Additionally, while the BMW X5 is known for its performance, issues with the transmission or cooling systems are not uncommon and can be expensive to address. Another element contributing to the high repair costs is the X5's advanced suspension system. The BMW X5 features an adaptive air suspension system designed to provide a smooth and responsive ride, whether on smooth highways or challenging off-road terrain. While this system delivers exceptional comfort and handling, it is also prone to wear over time. Replacing air suspension components, such as struts and compressors, can be costly. Moreover, as the vehicle ages, owners may face more frequent repairs to the suspension system, contributing to an increased total cost of ownership. The BMW X5's electronic systems are also a significant contributor to repair costs. The vehicle is packed with advanced technology, including a sophisticated iDrive infotainment system, a high-quality audio setup, adaptive cruise control, and driver assistance features like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking. While these systems are generally reliable, they can be costly to repair if problems arise. Malfunctions with the iDrive system or issues with the sensors and cameras that control the vehicle's driver assistance features can lead to expensive repairs, often requiring specialized software and parts. Additionally, as a luxury SUV, the BMW X5 is equipped with premium materials, such as leather upholstery, wood accents, and high-end trim finishes. While these materials contribute to the vehicle's luxurious feel, they are costly to repair or replace. If the interior upholstery or trim becomes damaged, repairs can be expensive, particularly if the damage requires bespoke materials or finishes. Another factor contributing to the repair costs of the BMW X5 is its high-tech all-wheel drive system. While the Quattro all-wheel drive system is known for its superior traction and handling, it can be complex to maintain and repair. Issues with the drivetrain, such as transfer case failure or differential problems, can add up to significant repair expenses, especially when the vehicle is driven frequently in harsh weather conditions. 1. 2025 Land Rover Range Rover. The 2025 Land Rover Range Rover represents the pinnacle of luxury and rugged off-road performance. As one of the most iconic luxury SUVs, it combines superior on-road comfort with the ability to handle the most challenging terrains. However, as a high-end vehicle with complex engineering, the Range Rover also comes with some of the highest repair costs in the SUV market. Land Rover's commitment to providing a premium driving experience comes at a price, and while the Range Rover excels in many areas, maintenance and repair costs are considerable. One of the primary factors contributing to the high repair costs is the vehicle's sophisticated suspension system. The Range Rover is equipped with air suspension, which provides an incredibly smooth and comfortable ride. However, air suspension systems can be prone to failure over time, especially with wear and tear on components like the air struts, compressors, and suspension bags. When these parts fail, repairs or replacements can be very expensive, often requiring specialized knowledge and genuine Land Rover parts. The drivetrain and engine system of the Range Rover are also complex and expensive to repair. The Range Rover offers a wide range of engine options, including a supercharged V8, a turbodiesel V6, and hybrid variants. These high-performance engines are designed for power and efficiency, but any mechanical failure can be costly to fix. Issues such as turbocharger malfunctions, coolant system leaks, or faulty fuel injectors can add up quickly in terms of repair costs. Furthermore, the high-tech transmission systems and the intelligent four-wheel drive system add to the repair complexity. Repairing or replacing parts in these systems often requires high labor costs and specialized technicians who have experience with the brand. The advanced infotainment system, which includes a high-resolution touchscreen, premium audio system, and an array of driver assistance technologies, can be prone to software glitches or hardware malfunctions. Fixing or replacing these components can be expensive, and because the Range Rover's infotainment system is uniquely designed, generic replacement parts are often not suitable. Similarly, issues with the vehicle's advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, or parking sensors, require dealer-level diagnostics and repairs, which can drive up costs significantly. Additionally, the premium materials used throughout the Range Rover, such as leather upholstery, custom trims, and high-end carpets, while enhancing the overall luxury experience, can be expensive to repair or replace. This is especially true if the vehicle experiences issues with its interior, such as damage to the leather or electronics. Over time, these repairs, though not frequent, can add up to substantial costs. Another factor that contributes to the high repair costs of the Range Rover is its advanced off-road capabilities. While the vehicle is designed to tackle harsh environments with ease, maintaining its off-road systems can be costly. These systems include the all-terrain drive modes, air suspension,